Okay, so guys, today we are going to be making some grilled cheese, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do it. So first you're going to want to add a little bit of butter into the pan, and then just let that simmer down and melt a little bit. Once most of the butter is partially melted, I'll add in the onion. And then once the onions are turning a little bit clear-ish, I'll add some tomatoes and then the water. Oh yeah, by the way, this is grilled cheese and tomato soup. Right now we're making the tomato soup. And you also gotta add in some onions, like I just did. Then you also want to add a little bit of salt and pepper.
Probably 10 seconds.
A little bit of salt, a lot of pepper. I like pepper. Not yet. Next, you're going to want to add a little bit of diced tomatoes into there, like a full regular can. And pepper. Because I only did it for 5 seconds the first time. Next, you're going to want to add 3/4 cups of water.
I just kind of stir it up. Probably turn it off. Which one do the time lapse? Just let it go. Do time lapse.
Then you just let it simmer down for a little while. Then you grab your stick blender and put it in the cup and blend it up a little bit to make the rest of the tomato soup. Next, you're going to want to add a little bit of mayo to each of your slices of bread, like I did here. And then you're going to want to put on some cheese. And then you put them in a pan. And then you wait a little bit, you check them every once in a while, then you flip them. Yep, flip and flip. Yeah, that might not have been a good flip right then. Okay, yeah, that's not done actually. Okay, yeah, that one was done. That one needed a little bit more time. Now we cut them in half horizontally. As you can see, wait, is that horizontally? Yeah, it's probably horizontally. So yeah, you cut both of them.
Push down, you're not sawing it. Just push it down.
And then you're gonna wanna pour in the tomato soup to 2 little bowls there.
Perfect. Set that to the side.
Now let's bring them to my brother for taste test time.
Okay, so we got the grilled cheese and the tomato soup. Moment of truth.
No, you gotta dunk it.
Lot out.
Okay, well, let's dunk it. Oh, look how good that looks.
Grilled cheese, not too bad. Not too bad. Time for the soup. So good. Not terrible soup. Pretty good. Now to try them both.
Yeah, it goes well when you dip it.
Well, I would give the grilled cheese a
Rating out of 10.
10.